Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this cutout transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this video in and I'll just select like another video, maybe this one. Okay, I don't know how this one will work though, so I'm just going to select this one instead. I'm just going to then select the mirror setting. And then I'm just going to select this bit. I'm going to freeze frame it. I'm going to select this and I'm going to add this on top. Then I'm just going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. Okay. Then here I'm just going to add a keyframe. And then here I'm going to put this down. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!